Hello everyone, I'm here in my office, right next door to my bedroom over there, which I just finished a video in. But here's the other Litex Bentley here in the office. And I just have it on another 2-switch thing. I'm doing it the same way as my other video. It's got an extra long pull chain now, because I do use different speeds on this one when I have friends over working in the office, when I used to before it got messy. Funky. Okay. Yeah, here's the light. Same as the other one, got a bright blue LED in there. Cut it off with the switch. And we'll start on low. Holy Toledo, I messed that up again. I keep messing up, and there's my hand in front of the camera. I mess these things up left and right. The pull chain does swing when you put it on high, though. It like spirals around. It's pretty crazy looking. That's why I like it so much. I also just like the randomness of the long pull chain. As far as I know, this one's in pretty perfect condition compared to the other one in there that's got a bent bracket. It's slightly bent. It was a little more bent. It wasn't noticeable unless you sat down and stared at it, but I bent it back to the point where you can't notice easily now. But I didn't use any tools or anything. I just used my hands, so there's no exact perfection on it. Let's bump it up. Here's medium. This one's just as good of a blower as the other one. It cools down these rooms very fast. We don't use them for long. We don't use them for 5-10 minutes. It's already dropped a degree. Especially since it's the middle of winter right now and you don't really have a reason to use it at all. Because it gets colder back here than it does in any other part of the house, especially in my bedroom up there. It gets freezing. Yeah, let's bump it up to high. Oof, dog toy. It's loud. That's just how much wind's coming off of it. See the pull chain start to blow around. It'll start like spinning around in circles. It doesn't get crazy bad, but it'll loop around in circles down there going around. Yeah, it's a powerful little fan. It's not as big as the fans out there, but it'll blow just as much. Yeah. Here's it with the light. Yeah. Turned it off. Let's watch it spin down. I'm sure of that. Now they're exactly the same. Wouldn't be surprised if they were. I'm sure they're both take just as long. This one might actually last longer. You never know, but yeah. Well, see y'all later, guys. 48-inch Litex Bentley. Super long pull chain. Bye.